Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with two essential items, power and proximity. Insert fresh AA batteries or connect the play and charge kit because a low battery causes dropouts. Once done, power the console so it's discoverable, then press the controller's Xbox button to wake it. Make sure you're within 1 to 2 feet of the console and remove obvious interference like phones or routers. This reduces pairing errors and ensures the controller broadcasts a strong signal while you move into the pairing step. Now you'll pair and confirm the connection. Press the console sync button, then press and hold the controller's sync until the Xbox button blinks. The console finds it within 20 seconds because both radios enter discovery mode. If pairing fails or you want firmware updates, plug a USB cable from controller to console. This auto pairs and lets Xbox update firmware. Make sure the Xbox button settles to a steady light to indicate a stable connection. If it keeps flashing, repeat pairing or try USB. Finish by configuring button mapping and vibration in settings, devices, and accessories so your controls feel right. You do this because personalized presets reduce fumbling in games. Once configured, test inputs in a quick match. If you experience lag or disconnects, reboot the console and power cycle the controller to clear temporary radio faults. As a troubleshooting tip, swap in known good AA batteries or a different USB cable. Inconsistent power or a faulty cable are the most common hidden causes of persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.